vision is the ability to see the invisible. A vision drives you to achieve the impossible. A vision lets you build your dreams. And we push ourselves every day to make your vision a reality. A vision to introduce a new paradigm to elevate the working standards in the industrial domain, increase outputs, and at the same time ensure a timely check on your outlays. Premier is a one-stop solution for world-class industrial products and services. Based in Mumbai and Bangalore, Premier provides an array of industrial products to facilitate optimum solution for complex demands and challenges of industrial ventures. With a modest inception in 1972, a team of visionary technocrats embarked on a journey to reform the process of industrial ventures with innovation and technological evolution. And since then, Premier has been instrumental in keeping innumerable companies abreast of global developments with ease and convenience. Technology is what we thrive on, which drives our team of technical experts to thoughtfully handpick products from the best source all over the world and ensure that our customers are always a step ahead by saving time and cost of production. Through our wide dealer network in all the major cities of the country, we ensure great accessibility and timely deliveries of our premium quality products, services and stock spares, thereby offering unmatched reliability, support and hassle-free after-sales service. With an aim to compete with global standards and latest technological developments, Premier collaborated with Shaolian, a pioneer in the field of manufacturing CNC laser cutting machines. Walking along with latest technology is not enough. It is also essential to make continuous technological advancements in our products and services, so we designed our own CNC Assembly and Research Center in Bangalore. Our own customized setup enables us to do extensive research work, which makes us technically stronger and superior. Premier is a bunch of passionate professionals with an attitude to perform, deliver, and always strive to add value.